Hi everybody. So today let us make the second video for the fruit competition. I'm going to make a very tasty yummy salad using this fruit which is called apple. They say one apple a day keeps the doctor away. So we are going to make a very delicious healthy salad with apple which even the kids will love and everybody will eat it and enjoy it. First of all, let us take this pasta, the spring ones, and they are small ones. They get ready soft very quickly. I am taking 1 cup of these spring pasta and I am going to put it in water and set it to boil with little salt and 1 teaspoon of cooking oil. Here I have put it in a patila, boiled the water and then added the pasta to it. Added a little bit of salt and 1 teaspoon of oil and put it to boil until it softens up. The oil does not allow the pasta pieces to stick to each other. They remain separate single and salt is always good to add. एक तो it increases the temperature of boiling water so your pasta gets ready faster, and number 2, little salt in pasta is necessary. It gives it a nice taste. After around 5 to 7 minutes, just check it up. It's boiling nicely and they have become soft also. See, they are the right texture, nice and soft. So let us drain them. After draining them, run them through running cold water. We have drained the water, the hot water, and I am draining it in cold water also. Because of this process, the pasta remains independent of each other. Each single piece comes into your mouth and it tastes very good. This is a very simple salad, but it is extremely delicious and full of nourishment. It has vitamins, proteins, plus it is healthy, and as well as it has fiber. So the ingredients that you require for this salad are 1 apple, or you can even take 2 apples. This is a nice big one, so I am taking only 1. Then I require cabbage, which I have chopped into small fine slices. Then 1 cucumber I am taking. I am making a small portion of salad just for 2 to 3 people. So I have taken only 1 cucumber and I am going to peel it and cut it into small pieces, and 1 tomato I am taking. Then that 1 katori of pasta which I have boiled and strained and kept. So let us begin with the procedure of making the apple salad. First of all, peel the kakadi and cut it into small pieces. Peel the tomato, cut it into small pieces, and I have added it to the cabbage that I have cut and kept. Then the apple last you peel and cut. Remove the center, the seeds, and remove the peel and cut them into very small pieces, and immediately put it in a bowl and squeeze 1 lemon into it so that the apples don't turn black. You have to be very careful with the apple. As soon as you remove the skin, it starts turning brownish black. First of all, place the chopped apple pieces in a bowl and now squeeze the juice of 1 lemon on them. Squeeze juice of 1 lemon nicely all over the apple pieces. Mix it up. Now let us add the cucumber, tomato and the cabbage that we have chopped. Now mix it up thoroughly so that the apple and all the other salads mix together, and then you add salt and pepper to this. Now let us add some salt and pepper. I am using rock salt, not much because I will be using Thousand Island and mayonnaise also. That too has salt in them. So I will just add a little bit of black pepper and little bit of rock salt. A little less than half a teaspoon. I have mixed the salt and pepper. If you eat more salt, you can add a little more later on after we add all the sauces and everything. Then you taste and see. If you feel it is required, you add. Otherwise, I don't think it will be required. Now, after mixing it up thoroughly, let us add the pasta that we have boiled and strained and kept. Remember, while boiling the pasta, we have already added salt to it. So I think the salt we have added is enough. Now let us mix the pasta, the apple and the salads all together thoroughly so that the lemon juice and the salt and pepper, everything blends into it. Now let us start adding the mayonnaise and Thousand Island and chili garlic ketchup, which is sweet. Added 1 tablespoon of sweet chili garlic ketchup. It is the Thai one, Thai taste. It's really very yummy. It gives a nice taste. Mix it up thoroughly. Now I will add 1 tablespoon of Thousand Island and 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise. Both of them are eggless. This is the sweet chili garlic sauce that I am using. This one. Fun Foods vegetarian mayo, 1 tablespoon I am going to use. It's a nice brand. This is Fun Foods sandwich spread. It is Thousand Island. So I have added 1 tablespoon of Thousand Island, 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise and 1 teaspoon of sweet chili garlic sauce, and I am going to mix it all up thoroughly. And if I feel that it is too dry and sticky, I will add a small cup of warm water to make it into a flowing consistency. See, it is quite dry and thick. It's not mixing up also properly, so I am going to add some water. I have warmed some water, and little warm water I will mix up and let it all blend with each other totally thoroughly. Not much, very little. You can even add cold milk if you want, or you can add water, it is up to you. And in case you feel that you need it little more spicy, so you can add a little more of black pepper. Now I am going to add 1 leaf of pudina, mint leaf, and my salad is ready. This is fresh mint from my pots, my kitchen garden. It gives a nice aroma. Plus I am adding some sesame seeds to make it little more healthy. So now my salad is totally healthy. Sesame seeds are very rich in vitamin C. I have roasted them and added them to the salad. So my very yummy, very delicious fruit salad is ready and extremely filling. You can eat it as it is. It will do the work of a complete meal also. Or you can use it as a side snack in between meals. Thank you so much for watching my video. This is Amita Bagai signing out. I have made this second video, fruit video for Asha Kulkarni ji. Thanks a lot for the competition. So my very yummy fruit salad is ready. See, you can see the apple pieces, cucumber pieces, plus tomato, pasta. This is a very yummy healthy salad, very creamy also, and very very lovely, delicious to eat. Thank you so much for watching my video. Do make this salad and let me know how it is.